The Unihertz Atom focuses on a niche audience, one that understands the shortcomings of such a form factor. If you can live with the small screen and don't mind the short-ish battery life, then this rugged device is unbeatable. Today marks the launch of the Kickstarter campaign for the Unihertz Atom, which is billed as the world's smallest 4G rugged smartphone. It is the second attempt from Unihertz at a crowd-funded smartphone. The first try, Project Jelly, saw nearly 11,000 backers pledging more than $1.25 million, around £950,000. With Atom, the company is aiming for something even bigger. The Atom is unlike any smartphone we've seen up until now. It is tiny, 97 by 45 by 19 millimeters, and weighs just over 100 grams. Think of it as a rugged smartphone that has been squashed and compressed into something stockier, which should, in theory, help it survive being dropped better. With rubber used all over its chassis, the Atom feels solid and durable. Where others would have used yellow lines to accentuate its rugged looks, Unihertz chose red as the accent color for the Atom. At the front of the device is a camera and 3 capacitive buttons, one of which also doubles as a fingerprint reader. A USB Type-C connector, an audio port, both not covered by any flaps, a dual nano SIM tray, 2 volume buttons, a power button and a dedicated push-to-talk button can be found on the 4 sides of the Atom. The back, which is textured, hosts another camera with flash, a speaker grill and the Unihertz logo. There's also a notch that can be used to attach accessories or a neckband. The device has been IP68 certified, which means that it has been tested and should easily withstand life outdoors, and be capable of dealing with its fair share of water, dust, shock, vibration and extreme temperatures. Despite its low price, the Atom is kitted out with components usually found on mid-range handsets, an 8-core CPU, 4GB of RAM and 64GB onboard storage. There's no microSD card slot, though, and no 802.11 acres Wi-Fi. The screen is a 2.45-inch display, offering around a quarter of the surface area of a device like the Verni Active, with a 5-inch display. The difference is even more obvious when it comes to sheer resolution. A Full HD display has 21x more pixels to manage compared to the 99,360 pixels on the Atom screen. The 2Ah battery is powered by a 5V, 1.58 power supply unit. The battery was one of the compromises that had to be made because of the limited space available in this handset. Starting and swiping apps works okay, but typing on screen is a proper hassle with keys on the virtual keyboard that are just a few square millimeters in size. Writing emails or typing on WhatsApp will be a major pain, you have been warned. It's all not bad though. We were surprised to find that the Atom is powered by the very latest version of Google's mobile operating system, Android 8.1, Oreo, and that it even comes with NFC and face unlock. There's also a toolbox that comes with a sound meter, a compass, a bubble line, a picture hanging app, a heart rate measuring app, a plumb bob and a protractor.